The government of Qatar, through the Public Works Authority Ashghal, has embarked on a major program of expansion and upgrade of the road network, which will provide a world-class road network capable of sustaining the future development of Qatar, improving communications and increasing road safety. Belonging to this program, the 32.4-kilometer long Al Subara Road P-16 project will enhance the existing road running between Al Shamal Road and Al Subara through Qatar's most important farmlands. Moreover, with the future construction of the Qatar-Bahrain Causeway, Al Subara Road will become one of the country's most important gateways and transport corridors, connecting Doha not only with regional Qatar, but also with Bahrain and Saudi Arabia. The project is designed to handle an expected traffic volume of around 30,000 vehicles per day for a posted speed of 120 kilometers an hour. The existing road will be expanded from a single 2-lane rural carriageway to a dual 4-lane expressway with 4 3.65-meter wide lanes and a 3-meter hard shoulder in each direction. 4 grade-separated junctions will connect the expressway to the existing road network every 6 to 8 kilometers. These high-capacity junctions will become major landmarks with architectural, landscape and artscape designs. The project will comprise service roads on both sides of the expressway to serve all existing and future properties, 3 road overpasses and 3 camel underpasses to facilitate crossing the expressway, as well as a 2.5-meter wide cycle path and a 1.2-meter wide pedestrian path all along the north side of the expressway. The project will also comprise a 6.3-kilometer long dual 2-lane carriageway from the expressway up to the UNESCO World Heritage Al Subara Archaeological Site boundary. With 4 roundabouts equipped with high-standard safety, provided with a complementary landscaping on approaches and within the central roundabout island to facilitate advance notification, 1 camel underpass, as well as a 2.5-meter wide cycle path and a 1.2-meter wide pedestrian path on the east side. The infrastructure will be equipped with street lighting and intelligent transport system facilities for safety and user information, such as dynamic message signs, traffic vehicle detection system, license plate recognition, closed-circuit television system, speed cameras and others. Concerning the discharge of stormwater, a complete drainage system has been designed with 900mm diameter pipe culverts or 3x1 meter box culverts and filtering channels to capture and dissipate surface water runoff. An innovative and sustainable road drainage solution which has been developed to preserve the natural surroundings and groundwater. To remove the risk of collision with vehicles using the road, a camel fence will be provided all along the road corridor, together with 4 camel underpasses to allow animals to cross the expressway safely. The project will include operation and maintenance equipment and installations such as electrical substations, relocation of existing bus stops, provision for 2 ambulance stations, and 1 future rest and services area. The project begins at the Qatar-Bahrain Causeway landing point in Qatar, just south of the UNESCO World Heritage Site. Starting outside the Qatar-Bahrain Causeway customs area, the future expressway runs straight to the east. Up to the Al Subara Al Numan junction, this 7.4-kilometer long stretch of the expressway is located inside an environmental protected area, Al Rim Biosphere Reserve, with no farms around. Therefore, The service roads have been discarded and one camel underpass has been provided to reduce the footprint of the project. At Al-Subara Al-Numan junction, the expressway connects northwards to the dual two-lane carriageway leading to the UNESCO World Heritage Al-Subara Archaeological Site. The road to Al-Subara starts at a roundabout next to the Graiba farm, which is connecting to the service road running north side of the expressway, then runs along the Al-Rim Biosphere Reserve with 3 roundabouts to serve the existing farms and ends 6.3 kilometers further at the boundary of the UNESCO World Heritage Site. The last roundabout includes a provisional leg to bypass the UNESCO World Heritage Site in the future. At Al-Subara Al-Numan junction, the expressway is also connecting southwards to a single 2-lane carriageway, connecting 3 kilometers further to the future QN85 road project leading to Al-Numan. The expressway keeps running for another 17 kilometers to the east along the Al-Rim Biosphere Reserve. The service roads are connected by 2 overpasses to facilitate local traffic, with farms outside of the junctions. And at the Al-Sulaimi Al-Kharbi junction, there is a provision for a future 5-hectare rest and services area. Also, another camel underpass. In the vicinity of Leguarilla village, the expressway bends to avoid the Raudat Al-Mayeda environmental protected area. Here again, the footprint of the project has been minimized by adopting a bridge to cross the wadi that flows into the Raudat area. At Al-Ghawariya junction, the expressway is connecting southwards to the future QN70 road project, an urban dual 2-lane carriageway which serves Leguarilla village. This junction, being of a more urban type, has been designed as a gateway to the desert with an oasis nested inside a large grade-separated roundabout. There will be a hospital next to this junction. The expressway keeps running for another 6 kilometers to the east. A 3rd overpass links the service roads in front of the Al Dawudiyya farm. Just after the 3rd camel underpass and before connecting to Al Shamal Road, Al Dawudiyya junction is one last junction connecting the expressway to the service roads which serve the areas under development around Al Shamal Road. The project comprises a provision for a 2nd ambulance station. The expressway ends 2 kilometers further at the connection to Al Shamal Road major interchange. The service roads, as well as the cycle and pedestrian path, are extended slightly further to ensure continuity with the future P-59 road project, which provides similar facilities along Al Shamal Road. This road infrastructure is a prestigious project which will have a high degree of public visibility. Therefore, its integrated design, encompassing landscaping, architecture and public art, aims at creating a unique, vibrant, immersive experience all along the road corridor that reveals the local culture and heritage of the area. Its world-class standards will also clearly contribute to the development of the serviced areas, will shorten travel times, will improve safety conditions, and will facilitate access from Doha to the Qatar-Bahrain Causeway, the Northwest Communities, and the UNESCO World Heritage Al Subara Archaeological Site for both motorized and non-motorized users.